Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to add C translation on Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, launch the Instagram application. Once you open that, make sure they are logged into your Instagram account. Now from your home page, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. That will land you on your profile page. Now about C translation on Instagram, that feature will automatically pop up if you have your bio written in any other language except English. For example, if you have your bio written in Spanish or say French, then you will get C translation on your bio, because Instagram doesn't have that specific features about C translation on its setting. For that, let me show you an example. Now on your profile page, tap on edit profile. There you will see just near the share profile. Tap on there, you will land on this page. From here you will see bio, so tap on bio. In here type in your bio in any other language. Once you're done, tap on the tick mark from the bottom right corner. That will save your bio. Now head back to your profile and here you will see your updated bio. Now I will switch this account to another account. Here I'll search for that specific account. So this is the account that we have recently added in bio. Here you can see the C translation option is visible there. If you tap on there, it will get translated into English. So in this way you can simply add C translation option on your Instagram bio. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel the next time we upload more tutorials. That's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.